Hi, hello guys, welcome to Krakow, Poland. I'm Igor, city host and destination manager working for JayWay Travel from over here. Today I wanted to tell you actually about a couple of phrases that you can use, Polish phrases, can be really beneficial for you when you will be visiting this beautiful country of mine, to know them. So without further ado, let's get it on. First thing, pretty easy, let's start with hello. Hello means dzień dobry. In Polish it's dzień dobry, so there are two words, dzień dobry. If you want to say hi, you say then cześć. That's like a shorter version, cześć. So dzień dobry is hello and hi is cześć. Then tricky part comes in. If you want to say goodbye in Polish, then you would say do widzenia, two words again, but it can also be cześć. So hi and goodbye can be the same. Pretty tricky, I know. Then we have tak I nie, means yes and no. So yes would be tak and no is going to be nie. But here is another tricky part. Many Polish people, and you will hear it all over the place, I presumably, this phrase no. No in Polish is also yes, it's like affirmative, like yeah, like a bit unofficial. I say it quite often, just no, no, no. And that means yes as well, but less officially. So Polish is probably the only language in the world where we say no and we mean yeah. But anyways, so that's that. So yes is tak and nie is no. Then if you want to say I'm sorry or excuse me, we use basically one word for those two options. That would be przepraszam. Przepraszam is both if you want to say something more serious like I'm sorry for doing this or that to you, or if you say, oh, excuse me, passing through, then it's still przepraszam, przepraszam. If you want to say you're welcome, then you say proszę, proszę. That's you're welcome. And then if you want to say cheers, some fun word, you would say in Polish na zdrowie. And I think it's pretty well-known version of this, right? Na zdrowie. You probably heard it already somewhere. So cheers is na zdrowie. And yeah, I guess that's it for the basic ones at least. I will be happy to, teach you something more intermediate later on if you want. And I am really looking forward to seeing you here in Poland, Krakow. So do widzenia, goodbye.